Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today I have a share with you. This little mini album holds a lot of photos, and it was a gift to me by my daughter-in-law Jessica. And some of you know Jessica. She works down at the hobby store in the office and in shipping. She made this for me last Christmas, and I was just blown away of how beautiful it was, and I quickly got some photos together and placed them in this. This is only 4 5/8 by 6 5/8 with about a 1 1/4 inch spine. She had made some picture mats for me and put them in there, and I was able to get my smaller size photos on in there. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the front and what I did. Up front was a picture mat, and I had a smaller photo and I placed it on there. And over here you'll notice this has a very small Dritz hook and eye for the closure, and it's just really pretty. Now I can't remember the name of the paper that she used. My mind is drawing blank, but I was wondering if, after looking at this, is this something that you'd be interested in making? Because she said that I can go ahead and copy this, the design of it, and maybe use a different paper for it and do that. I thought this would be excellent as a Christmas gift because it is small, it doesn't take a lot of paper, and it just holds quite a bit. So in here, when we first open it up, she created a tuck, and I was able to get some photos in here. So I'm going to show you. The book is still stiff, of course, because when you make books, sometimes they are stiff because they're new. But I just totally liked this. I thought it was really neat. Over here, there is a pocket, and I got a couple photos in there. My grandsons are adventures at the zoo. And then the next page is a side pocket. So it's very simple, but it's holding quite a bit of photos. So, photographs. And then over here, she did do some die cutting here. And if I copy this, I may die cut, or I may not. We may just do something like that with regular paper and hand do it. So, and then I have pictures here, mostly just family I put in here. And I keep this up on my mantle. So as you can see, it's just really neat how she did this. Simple, but really it just holds. And then here I was able to place down my photographs. So that is what she made me, and I wanted to share it with you because I thought, you know, that'd be great for us to make, especially with the upcoming Christmas seasons or craft fairs, that we can get these done. And as you can see, it does not take a lot of paper. And, oh, just to let you know, really quick, my next project, that tutorial I will be releasing, I want to hear what you all have to say about this, is you guys remember when I made this one paper pack folio, and I used the Fall Festival. But since I already have one with the Fall Festival paper, I'm going to be using a different paper but with this design, and it held a lot of stuff. I'm going to be using the Nightfall by Minte paper, one paper pack of course. But I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know in the comments what you think, if this is something you'd be interested in. Again, I'm going to flip through this really quick to show you. And picture sizes. Now, what she gave me a variety of different sizes here. I am able to print out whatever size pretty much I want from my computer, but I had printed out these smaller sizes. They're called wallets in my print studio, but they are about 2 5/8 by about, let's see here, about 3 3/8 with the white. And you can get in some bigger pictures, I think. Let me grab something. But here is a different picture. You can see the picture size. You can make your mats a little bigger. Now she put a magnet behind the bird, so I'm just going to look that up. So bigger pictures will fit. And this picture with my little white border is about 3 5/8 by about 4 3/4. Now what I say on this one? 3 3/8 by 2 5/8. Anyway, even in the pockets, this size photo will fit. And of course in here, if we're matted, it will fit. Up here, it fits. And back here. So it depends on your picture size of how many you actually get. But I had some pictures that were smaller, and a family and everything, so that's what I ended up using in it. And food for thought, I guess you'd say. Let me know. Happy crafting, and I'll see you real soon on my next tutorial.